Oh, hi. I didn't see you here. At Baked Potato Productions, we are people of many talents, and today we're gonna cook. So come on, join. So today we're gonna be making some sushi. As you can see, we did prep our rice. We did prep our ingredients. We're gonna go veggie sushi today. It's just easier. You don't have to worry about salmonella or fish eggs or that stuff. And then we got some carrots boiling in here because no one likes raw carrots. Look at that. It looks really good. So anyways, we're gonna do some sushi. I'm gonna have my sous chef over there, Sydney. Say hi to the camera, Sydney. So first, we're gonna start with our bazooka. You can get these on Amazon, whatever. The sushi bazooka, kitchen solo, baby. So same company that makes those red solo cups. They're making bazookas now. We're gonna lightly oil it so it doesn't slide out. So look at that. Ooh, very good stuff. Okay, cameraman. You're getting very excited. So just oil. So anyways, you put some salt in there. I'm gonna take off those carrots. Don't have those boiling too long. Sous chef, can you figure that out? Thank you very much, sous chef. We picked her up from the street. She doesn't know much English, but she does what she can. So that's what's great. That was. Oh, look at that, very good. So now we got nice soft carrots. We're gonna let those cool off. So you get the sushi in there, and then you kind of stuff it down so it has a light thing. Oh yeah, that's a really interesting part. Yeah, so where I started my chef career, it was, I was living on the streets actually, and I didn't really know what to do with myself. So, and I was kind of dying. So I was just like, I don't know, I'm gonna start learning how to cook. I grabbed my first pigeon, and it was from there on, became a gourmet chef and built my own empire. So now you're in my kitchen. It's a very cool sneak peek into my kitchen. Kind of what Gordon Ramsay does. So anyway, so now that you have that smashed up, you're gonna put your ingredients in. So we're gonna go easy. We're gonna grab some of our nice soft carrots. We're gonna put this on this side. Carrots. Anyway, so now that we have this in there, we're gonna put this little twisty thing. You wanna get close up to that, cameraman? See, it goes in there. So you want to put that in there, and then at the same time, you hold that, you lift this up, and it's boom. You just close that up. Now, where's my cat? Oh, it's right over here. Silly me. So you want to put that on. Very good. You want to put that on. And then you just twist this a few times, and it kind of smashes it there. Oh! So there's just a little excitement going on in the baked potato kitchen. So anyways, just kind of pound that in there like that. And then from there, we're going to get over to this. So look at that. See? Beautiful. That is so good looking. What's up? Now, I'm gonna wash my hands really quick. I got a sushi rice. Yeah, that's the. A lot of people don't know about washing your hand. You put the soap in your hand, and then you just kind of throw that away. It's all about the water. A lot of people don't know about that. Soap is actually the devil's trickery. So stay away, kids. So now, from there. Anyways, so from there, we want to bring over our water. And we gotta get the nori paper right and wet. They say sometimes,
Cover all 9,000 taste bud. Aerate it. Warm it up. Driving up. Get that top note. That cream. Pure vanilla. Sweeteners. That's a 10.
So now from here, now that you got your wet nori roll, you get it all wet. Now you come out, and this is the fun part. You take it, and look at this. Oh, just ploop, right down on the nori. And from there, I did a little, didn't go exactly where I wanted, but that's okay. It's part of the fun. So now we take this, and we're almost done. Roll it up, you know what they say. We teach you that in DARE, right? Roll it up and keep it out of sight, You know what I'm saying, kids. Actually, I don't really have that much relationship with my children. My wife left me after 2 years. It was kind of actually sad, but
kind of right when you found that
don't talk about that, cameraman. So anyway, so now that we have this, you know, oh, so we don't want this tail end of this nori because honestly, nori kind of sucks. So we're just gonna cut that. We got no time for that. So now we got this. It's a little loose, so we gotta pat it down and pound it down and squeeze it. Yeah. You good there, cameraman?
I got caught on the drawer.
Kitchen, bro? So anyways, and now you got this. The fattest stogie around. Also, you know, so...
roll a blunt, you can roll sushi.
If you can roll a blunt, you can roll sushi. So to all my gangbanger friends out there, sushi is your move. Anyway, so let's dig in. Pretty good sushi. Must say so. Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. Come on in. Come back in. So now that we made the sushi... Oh, shit, cameraman. Watch out. So now that we're going to make a sushi, you know, what does every good sushi... what does every good sushi having to dip in? Of course, soy sauce. Now, we got to check our heart, so we had the low sodium version. You know, and you could pour the sushi in. Pour the sushi in. You know, pour the soy sauce in, and you could dip it, and that'd be great. Or... you can make a really good sauce. And that's what we're gonna do today. So the tutorial of delicious sauce with sushi. So, let's go. So we're gonna start with the sushi base, of course, because you know, that's easy. And then we're gonna take some garlic. Cut it up. Get off those, you know, skins, the annoying skins. You know what they say about skin. It drives me insane. Just wanna like pull it off of it, people, you know, like, skin, you know. Crazy shit. You know, like, you know, they say, you know, put the lotion in the basket, you know, put little Jimmy there too, because, you know, a party,
they do say that though.
A party's not with one, it's with little Jimmy and some lotion. Put it in a nice garlic press. If you don't have a garlic press, then you must be a psychopath, because garlic presses are the way of the future. Yeah, poor. You're poor. That's the word I was looking for. Thanks, cameraman. So, you take it and just kind of squeeze that garlic into the sauce. Very good. Very good. I'm going to cut it up a little bit. And boom. So now that you got some garlic in there, it's ready 10 times better, okay? Maybe even 20. I like, you know, Wild Mike's over here sponsors it. You know, he's got with the red crushed peppers. You know, you might be jealous that you don't have your Wild Mike's sponsorship, but it's okay. So, you know, and then we're just gonna put some red pepper flakes as well in there. And that just gives it a little more of a punch, you know? So you see already the flavors are melding together. It's great, it's powerful, it's awesome. But the secret, brewed rice wine vinegar. Smells great. So you just wanna pour a little bit of that in there as well. And how's your gravy, baby? Your gravy. And you would, you know, we don't have any green onions. Now let's come over to the eating set. Come on, let's go. And then we'll try it out. First test, we're gonna have my sous chef over here. Give it a snack. Are we at a restaurant? I think we just walked into a restaurant. So there. So why don't we get so I'll take this piece. You can take that piece.
Thank you.
And yeah, your English is coming around nicely. So why don't you just dip that in and really,
What is...
This is the delicious flavor. That's boring soy sauce, and this is yummy soy sauce.
Should I bite it?
Yeah, take a bite. I'll jump in too with that. Delicious. Ow. Very good. Much better than boring. So,